Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Chocolate ice cream recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped chocolate, pinch of salt. Instructions: in a medium saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until it reaches a gentle simmer. Do not let it come to a boil. Once the mixture is simmering, reduce the heat to low, and add the unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk the cocoa powder into the liquid until it is fully dissolved. Stir in the pinch of salt and the vanilla extract. Continue to stir occasionally to ensure even heating. Add the semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped chocolate into the hot liquid. Stir until the chocolate is fully melted and the mixture becomes smooth and well combined. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the chocolate mixture cool to room temperature. You can place the saucepan in an ice bath to speed up the cooling process. Once the mixture has cooled, cover the saucepan and refrigerate it for at least 2 to 4 hours or preferably overnight. Chilling the mixture helps the flavors develop and ensures a creamier texture. After the mixture has chilled thoroughly, pour it into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes, but times may vary depending on your ice cream maker. Once the ice cream has reached the desired consistency, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for an additional 2 to 4 hours to firm up before serving. Scoop the delicious chocolate ice cream into bowls or cones, and enjoy. You can also add extra toppings like chocolate syrup, whipped cream, or chocolate shavings for an extra indulgent treat. Happy ice cream making! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.